If you've lost access to your Linphone account and don't have your phone number available, you can still recover your account by following these steps. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process. Step 1. Visit the Linphone website. Go to the official Linphone website to access the support and recovery options available for users. Look for the support or help section to find relevant information. Step 2. Access account recovery options. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Provide account information. Fill out any required forms with your account information. This may include your email address associated with the account, username, and any other identifying details that can help verify your identity. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your recovery request, check your email for any messages from Linphone. They may send you a verification link or further instructions to help you regain access to your account. Step 5. Follow instructions and reset password. Follow the instructions provided in the email to reset your password or recover your account. Make sure to create a strong, new password that you can remember for future access. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to recover your Linphone account without needing your phone number. Good luck!